This is a very short video demonstrating how to load data obtained from the GE scanner at AMNH into FIJI, at which point you can then export it to whatever file format that you need for whatever application you're using, NRRD file, example for slicer, or just a raw TIFF stack that you can use wherever you want. So the files that you need from the reconstruction step, you need the vol file, which is the raw volume data. You need the PCR file. And what's important about the PCR file is it tells you the dimensions of the volume, particular XYZ. This is the width, height, and depth. The PCA file is also very useful because it contains the voxel size, which you may need later if you care to make accurate measurements of the things that you're segmenting or looking at. But for the purpose of the step we're doing right now, the PCA file is a bit superfluous. So to load this into FIJI, which I highly recommend people get familiar with if we're going to be doing this kind of thing, you can go to fiji.sc to download it. It's kind of like a Swiss Army knife for transforming and working with all different kinds of image data. Highly recommend becoming familiar with it. So to load in a vol file, go to File, Import, Raw. The vol file is actually a raw file, which means it does not have any dimension data in it. It's just X-ray absorption numbers one after the other. Say Open. And then the image type, the data type is 16-bit unsigned data. And then the width, height, and number of images, you just plug in the values here from the PCR file. I can't remember if I already said this, but A stands for acquisition, R stands for reconstruction, and vol is volume. So you want the R for reconstruction file. So 750, 747, 2020 for this particular one. And another important thing to put in here is you want little endian byte order checked. The rest of these are unchecked. And you say OK. And there it is, and you can scroll through it like that. And that is how you import raw volume data into FIJI.